Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Now that it's winter, everybody's thinking about winterizing their vacuum breakers and getting all the water out so they don't freeze. And that's awesome. One thing that we see, and something I want to show you is that most all these vacuum breakers have both of these handles. Now something that we see people do oftentimes is they just come in here and they turn their two handles just like so. And true enough, you've cut off most of the water to the vacuum breaker. Most people feel like this is winterized, but the reality of it is that this is what's called a half winterization, because this is the water meter, this is the vacuum breaker. In between here is a shut off where you have to manually shut off the water with a ball valve coming to the vacuum breaker, because right now when we turn this valve, we've stopped the water from going this way. All of this doesn't have water in it. This still does. So what's going to happen is that if you're going to have a freeze issue, you're going to have to worry about busting this copper leg. The actual vacuum breaker part might be protected, but you're still exposed to the copper leg. So always remember that if you're on your own meter for the irrigation system, make sure the meter gets turned off. Or if it's tied into your main line for the house, make sure that there's a ball valve installed and that ball valve gets turned off. Also, one last little trick, these little screws right here, you need to turn those a quarter turn just to bleed water out of these valves as well. So if you need any other help or suggestions on how to winterize your vacuum breaker, let us know. We look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.